Hi. It's my dogs think I'm talking to somebody, which I am kind of, you guys. But anyway, I bought this planner from DPC that I really like, and I'm gonna go back to the front and show you. It's the vertical orientation enchanted planner, and I picked the Sunday start. It's up to you, of course, whatever you prefer. I love how there's a glare from the lights right there. That's cute. Anyway, I decided, I kind of like how it fills up the whole page. So I went ahead and decided what I was going to put on my tabs, which I'm going to do the months down the 12 on the side. And there's 6 across the top that you can personalize. So I decided, I just kind of stuck with what the other planners I already had, say ideas and doodles and photos and notes. And this will probably be medical stuff, and because like my husband is still in the hospital and he's awake now, thank God, but he's still in the hospital. So anyway, that's probably what I'm going to put on some of that. I'm not sure just yet. Like I said, this is from DPC Digital's. The September color or theme, I guess, is Enchanted, so it's really pretty. There's awesome kits and stuff that go with it. So anyway, once I typed out all the stuff that I wanted here, just take the lasso tool, and you can just do like one thing at a time, but I am like, let's all or nothing. So I lassoed the entire group of things I had typed up, and then do copy on all of them. And that way you can just like go to each page and paste, and they'll all be, on each page. Okay, and I think I'm about over here. Let me go over there. Okay, I already did that page. I did that one and that one. And so what I do is then just go to each page, and you can see I pasted them a little crooked there. I don't care, as long as it's on there. So, and now my dogs are gonna act crazy. Hey guys, shh. Anyway, and so I'm going through each page. Before I start doing anything in it, this is so much easier just to do it now because it makes life, okay, finally, I'm right here. So I can just click and paste and then drag them around where I want them and then roll on. So this is what I do for the whole rest of the pages. And you guys can tell me if there's some faster way to do it, but I don't think there is, because I want them all to be on here. Whoops. And then sometimes you get a little weird when you pick on odd things that GoodNotes tries to select it for you, and I'm like, no, that's not what I want. And so just click paste. It's a lot easier. And then it does strange stuff sometimes. I don't understand the mechanics of it exactly. I think it's easier with my finger than it is with this pen, honestly. And just go through and put it all in there. Now I will probably only use it for like 1 month, honestly, because then next month she'll come out with another gorgeous one, and then I'll just be like, I have to have that now, and so then I'll change. But for right now, this is where I'm at. I used the spaced out theme one last month, or for the most of the month. No, don't define that. Stop. I hate when I do that. Stop it. Okay, get off there. And just click somewhere decent that it doesn't decide to do stupid stuff. Put it all on there. Anyway, I thought you guys might like to see this. I have been really kind of stressed out and making it through. Like I said, he fell back in June, and it's about 30 miles one way to where he's at, and then 30 miles back every day. And I only get to see him for 2 hours, so that's not fun, but hey, it is what it is. At least some hospitals, I'm told, are not allowing visitors at all, so I'm not really complaining. I'm just, I guess, stating the very obvious. I don't know. So that's how my month or so has gone here. I'm really behind on like all my planning stuff because I've really just tried to, honestly, I've used my planner just to kind of document, like, okay, today they decided they're putting a breathing tube. Today they're, all that stuff because, and like, today he breathed on his own for an hour, and today they, actually they took the intubation tube out, and then they put the tracheostomy tube, and so he could breathe with that. And actually last Friday, just a few days ago, they capped the trach off and allowed him to actually talk, and he's trying to eat now. He's having to kind of eat pureed food at the moment because he can't really swallow terribly great yet, because he had that intubation thing in there for almost a complete month, and apparently it's really not designed to last that long. It can damage stuff, and your throat can stop working apparently if it's not used. So I guess just like any other muscle in your body, the things that you learn when you don't really want to learn them. So anyhow, that's where we are. He's trying to I walked in Saturday and he was sitting up and looking right at me and talking, so I was like, oh my gosh, that was like total amazed at the progress in one day, like one day, literally. So anyhow, I think it's because he had the back surgery and they got all the extra infection out, honestly, is my opinion. And I would think once you get all the extra infection out of your body, it would start to heal better. So, and of course they re-x-rayed his arm yesterday and found out that it is still broken. It's not entirely healed. So they had to put the arm brace back on it. And he's a little loopy, so he tried to tell me that that's the third time he's broke his arm. And I said, no, it's not. But then he asked me, did I break his arm? I'm like, definitely not. I wasn't even near you. Like I said, he's a little strange. He's trying to tell me the nurse was somebody else's that we know's daughter, and I was like, no, that's not her. She does kind of favor her, I guess, but that's not her. And he's, yes, it is. And I said, it's not. So yeah, that's been our last couple days, arguing with a man who has no sense at this point and is trying to tell me crazy stuff. And anyway, and we're waiting on Wednesday to have more puppies, because last month, or month before last, when he was at home with them, not paying attention to them because he was hurt, and anyhow, so we have Frank decided that we needed some more puppies, and so he fixed that problem. So puppies will be along any day now. Okay. Now, once I have all of these set up, it's so much easier, because now, like this is the side divider, obviously, which is actually August. I should probably go to September because I'm not going to use it for August. Okay, so this is September's tab. And, of course, I can go and paste whatever in here that I want to. Let me go to this. Like I said, I've already put it in here, so let me go copy. And I'm going to go here, and I'm going to paste it because I just want it to be in there. I wish I could cover up those thingies. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough right there. Anyway, so this is my September tab. Okay, so from September tab, I want to put some pages behind it, because right now when I turn it, I'm at October. And so I want paper behind it. So the easiest way that I have found, after you go through and tag or label all your tabs and stuff, then you can go to the 4 little boxes there, and you can see the entire thing, the whole thing. Okay, so at this point, what I want to do is go find me the month spread, because first of all, I want it to have the month with all the days on it, because that's what I will use. And so I'm going to choose, I think, this one. Let me just look. Sunday through Saturday. Yeah, I want the Sunday start one, because I get less confused that way. For some reason, if I do the Monday start, I like the Monday start, but for whatever reason, I get really lost on that. So go back to this view, and then we're going to go to select, and we're going to select this one, and we're going to say copy. Okay, The reason we're going to do it like this is because when we copy this, it's going to copy all this stuff that we've already pasted on it, and it will all be there already. So then we can just click done, and then we can scroll back to our September right here, and then we can stop YouTube. We can go right here and say paste page, and it will paste the page that we just picked, including all of our stuff that we've labeled on here. And so now, oh, that's cute. Now we're going to decorate this page for September, of course, with all the days in the month for the whole month. And then what I'll also do from this point then is go back up here again and go find, like if I decide I want to use a weekly in between that, I'm gonna say this weekly because it's kind of got a lot more room and I write big. And I like a lot of stickers, so that makes it even more fun. Okay, so I'm going to choose this weekly. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say select this week, and I don't know what daily page I want. I mean, I can do it, just do it one at a time. And then say copy, and then say done. Then go back up here again to go to the September month, and we're going to go right here and we're going to go paste page. And it's going to paste our weekly behind that month page. Okay, and while we already have it copied, we can do it a few more times because it's so much easier. So paste page, that's 3 weeks. Paste page, that's 4 weeks. I don't know if this month has 5 or what, but let's see. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's got 5. That's 5 weeks, I believe. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and then to the month. Okay, so now I want to go pick out my daily pages, and I really am not sure what I had decided on for this month for daily pages, but let's go check them out. She's got so many to pick from. Like, my brain just goes, oh, I like that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. So anyway, that's how I end up. This one's kind of fun. I like the time slot on it because, like I said, I've had so many things to do lately. If I don't write things down, I can't remember what I'm doing. Like, even like food, I'm telling you, my brain is just stressed out. So I like that day. This one's cool too. It doesn't have the actual time on it if you're more of a loose flow kind of person, I guess. Then there's the weeklies. I know there's some more stuff. There's this kind of weekly, like I said. And then there's this kind, which is neat too. It's easy to write on. And this is cool because it's got some listy places and some tracker things too. So that's kind of cool. Oh, you know, I should have did that. That would be very neat. Just to keep track of things on. Decisions. I can't decide. Oh no. I should do goals. Yeah, that's me. I need some goals. Okay, let's see. This one or this one? What is the difference? Everything's down the side and everything's across the top. Let's I kind of like the format of this one. Yeah, let's play with this. So let's go here, and it's already got a blue square around it because we were just looking at it. So we can go select and click it, and go copy, and then click done. And then we're gonna go back up here to the month again because that's where I want them, is behind it. And we're gonna paste page, and paste page. I'll delete those others when I'm done here. Maybe I'll just do one like that, and then we'll see if we like it. If we like it, yay. If we don't like it, well, then we haven't done anything crazy. Okay, so there's 2. Well, anyway, that'll do for now. Okay, so here is the week that we're going to pick that's crazy. And then I can probably delete these just to get rid of stuff that's in the way. I'm going to say select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, even though I just pasted them. And we're going to throw them in the trash because I don't need those right now. Then we're going to say done because I don't want anything else moving. Now I got to find me a daily page. That's what I was looking for. Behind there we have a blank page, a dotted page. Ooh. I really like dotted pages. I'm like a dotted page nut. I'm like the Cornell note looking kind of page. I have school flashbacks with that one. To-do list, budget, expenses. I have to do the monthly bills and all these other fun things. My gosh. Series and books. I wish I had time for series and books right now. Oh my gosh. Recipes. Yeah, I should make another tab and call it recipes because I need to start writing down. I found so many good recipes lately and it don't seem like I've had time to deal with remembering anything. Okay, so there's the month. This was the Monday start, Sunday start. And I've got this kind of today page. Do I really want to do this? Or do I just want to do dots? I think I like dots because dots are just like I can do whatever on my dots that I want to do. If I just want to doodle, if I just want to stick stuff up there and call it happy. Notes, that's cool. And trackers and assignment trackers. These are awesome, like, and projects. Oh my gosh. I can't wait till I get back to projects again. Lesson plans. These are just general, different templates. I just love them. Like, she has so many things in these. You guys are going to love them. Blank pages again. I think let's go back to the dots. I know I'm crazy. Let's go. This, we turn that off. We go here, it takes us back to the front template section, and I think I was right here. So here, I'm gonna, stop that. I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna go select, and I'm gonna choose the one that I was just on, and I'm gonna say copy. Okay, then I'm gonna click done, and then I'm gonna go back up here to this weekly, and I'm going to paste the page behind it. And then paste another one. I'm going to paste a couple because I don't like to have to go back and find it again and go, what was that? What did I pick? Blah, blah, blah. Paste page. Page. I mean, technically you would need 7 of these back here, but I don't know how many I'm going to put. And it's already the 7th, so I'm a little late. That's my life. That's my life. Just late. I've always been late though, and for everything, and my husband has always made fun of me for it. He says, one day you'll be late for your own funeral. And I'm like, I probably will. I'll be in the hearse and it will go the wrong way and everybody will be standing there wondering where I'm at. And that's how that goes. Okay, so anyway, so that's how I set up my month. Now I've got to go through and decorate it all, and I know this is so annoying here with this glare. I don't know how to, I'll find somewhere else to be. Maybe I'll just turn the light off in next time. Anyhow, that's what's going on, and that's where I'm kind of decorating at. And now I'm going to take a quick break and refill the coffee cup because it's kind of gotten cold and yucky at this point. And I'm going to do that, and then I will try to video a little bit more with the decorating it maybe here if I figure out what I want to do with it. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like it if you think it was helpful. If it's not helpful, just don't be ugly. All right. Thank you.